Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Rennie, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're finally in season 3. For all those who are new, welcome to our family. Welcome to the Simply Local family. And for you guys who are always here with the family already, hi, welcome back. So glad to have you. Thanks so much for the support in last season. It was awesome. I had fun actually getting to interact with you guys a lot in the last season, so that was really interesting. But we're back. A new season brings new fruit, right? Mango season, guys. We all love it. We're here in Trinidad, and I don't know about you guys, but I can't get enough of mango. I can't. So I'm using 2 types of mangoes today, guys. The first type, I'm using a Julie mango. I'm using a Julie mango in the sorbet because this tends to have a high content of sugar in it. And I have Zabico here with me. I'm going to use Zabico because this tends to have a lot of water content in it, as well as it's fleshier, so this is great for my smoothie that I'm going to make today. Right, so here's the Julie mango. If you slice a Julie mango, it's really easy to slice, right? And it's less fibrous because the fibers are a little bit more loose than the rest of the mangoes, right? And to me, this is the sweetest one out of all of them. I have to try some, right? Right, and this is the Zabico. Right, for the Zabico, I don't know if you guys could hear this, but it's so fibrous that when I'm slicing through it, that you're actually hearing me cutting towards it. I don't know if you can see this, but the water content is so high that it's actually perfect for a smoothie or any type of juice that you're gonna make. Right, so we're gonna use these 2 types of mangoes, guys. Let's begin. So to kick things off, we're gonna make a mango sorbet. Simple and 2 ingredients. The first ingredient, of course, is our main star mango, right? I'm using the Julie mango today, right? And preferably you should cut it into small cubes. This is actually going to make it easier to process. And we're going to use the second ingredient, which is a lime. We're going to use the juice of a lime. So guys, it needs to be frozen, right? The mango needs to be frozen because it's going to help create that nice smooth texture that we're looking for in the sorbet. So I have my mini chopper here, and all I'm going to do is add this to the chopper, and we're going to get the juice from the lime. I'm just going to roll the lime a little bit. This helps to get all the juices flowing in it. It's easier when we cut it. Right, so I'm just going to squeeze some. So I've used up all my mango, and look how gorgeous this looks. Just amazing, guys. And this consistency, this texture is what we're looking for. Just really nice and smooth. And like I said, the main ingredient here is mango. No added sugar, it's just mango. And we just use a little lime in it to help. So I'm just gonna taste it really quickly. Oh my God. Guys, this is the die for already. Oh my God. And no added sugar. Amazing. So right, like I said, make sure and put it in an airtight concealer. It's really important. We don't want any air get into it because the ice crystals will develop, and we don't want that, right? So you're just going to put it into the freezer and freeze it for at least 4 hours. So the next item we're going to make is a mango smoothie. Now it's simple ingredients again. So first we're going to start with ice. I have some ice here. Then I'm going to use mango. So I'm just going to take my hand and get off all the flesh as well as the juice. It is a messy process, but it's good because you're going to get off everything off the seed, and that's what you want. So we'll go back again about talking about the fibers, because as you saw, the Julie mango, it was really easy to, you know, just use my hands, right, and squeeze out all this juice on the flesh. But the Zabico is like so firm and dense is that I have to use a knife to actually get it off. So I mixed the 2 mangoes because I figured it's more of a healthier smoothie because we're using granola and yogurt, and the Zabico is more on the fibrous side, so that's good fiber for you. So I mixed the 2, right? Next I'm going to add the yogurt. And then I'm going to use granola. Now you're going to save some of the granola because we're going to use that as toppings in the end. And I just want to put like a pinch of cinnamon to it. I just think this will just make it a little snazzy. So the final phase to this mango trio is pancakes, guys. Pancakes are so simple, yet it's so versatile. All right, so to start the pancake, we're gonna use a cup of all-purpose flour, and we're using our brand Cuisine all-purpose flour. So we have a cup. Now we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, I'm adding the sugar. We have white sugar here. Next, we're gonna add a pinch of salt. And we have our nutmeg to grate. And after all, it is simply local. So the nutmeg is gonna give it a really nice local flavor and make it taste like home, you know. Right, so you're gonna give this a whisk. Make sure everything is incorporated. Right, and we're gonna put this aside. Next, we're gonna start with our wet ingredients. So firstly, I have 1 egg. And we're gonna use our brand again, Cuisine. This time is the full cream milk. I'm gonna use a 1/2 cup of the full cream milk. And I'm gonna use a 1/2 cup of the mango puree. Lastly, we have 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I love butter. You can substitute this for oil, but I love what butter does to the pancake. It gives it this nice rich flavor. You know, the taste is really lovely, right? So I'm just gonna give this a nice whisk. So you're gonna take your time and mix it. We don't want any lumps, but we also don't want any over mixing of the batter. So I have an electric griddle here, and I'm just gonna brush it. I have some melted butter. You can use oil, but like I said, with pancakes, I always love to use butter because it brings out a rich flavor in it. Right? So I'm just gonna take my 1/3 cup measurement, and I'm gonna put down some pancakes. Also, to top it off, I just have some cubes of the mango here, so I'm just gonna put it in. So we're using mango in all forms. And I think it's great as well when you get a nice cut or slice of the pancake, you get a chunk of mango. Guys, our delicious mango trio. We have our wonderful mango smoothie, we have our yummy pancakes or mango pancakes, and we have our refreshing sorbet. So firstly, I want to try the sorbet. Oh my god, it's so good. You know what I love about it? The little bit of the lime juice we give it this kick, you know. It brought like life to it, and well, the mango is just doing what it needs to do. Just be amazing. This is so good. See how we added the little chunks of the mango in it? It's also caramelized and it's giving it a sweeter taste to the mango, which I really love. It's really good. You're gonna get these little pieces of the granola in it, which is really good for you. And it's, like I said, a healthier smoothie. Okay guys, that's it for the mango trio. I really hope you guys enjoy this and give it a try. As you saw today, I used 2 types of mangoes, the Zabico as well as the Julie mango. Let me know down in the comments below what's your favorite type of mango. For me, it's the Julie. As always, the full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time guys, bye!